Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nusangli and today we are going to make a paper boat but with a rectangle paper. So let's get started. So now we are going to take a rectangular paper and fold it into half like this. As this is done, we are going to open the paper and now fold it into half at this direction, from this direction. And now we are going to hold the paper like this. From this side, we are going to turn the paper over here. Turn the corners to the middle. Just like this. Both the sides. And now we are going to take these ends, fold it like this, both the ends. Just like this. Now we are going to insert these corners like this, both the sides, and this side too. When you're done with this much, from the inside you're going to open it just like this. Now take the ends and join it to the other end. When you're done with this, again open the other side. Now this is the last fold and you have to open these. And your final boat is ready. Hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe. Until that, bye bye.